This tutorial will show you how to search and apply for jobs. When you log into Handshake, your student dashboard is the first page that you will see. Any jobs you have favorited will appear toward the top. There are two different methods for finding jobs on Handshake. First, Handshake supplies you with targeted collections of jobs designed to help you discover new opportunities related to your major and interests. Second, if these jobs aren't what you are looking for, or if you are searching for something more specific, select Jobs at the top of the screen. Here you can see all the opportunities posted to Missouri State. You can search by job title, employers, or keywords, and you can narrow the search geographically. You also can use filters to narrow down your search. You can narrow by job type, employer preferences, work authorization, industry, and more. When you find jobs, you can favorite them to save for later. When you select a job, you can see on the right-hand side all the employer preferences and whether or not you match them. Under Employer Preferences, it shows your profile strength, so if it's low, consider updating it. Under the contact information is a list of similar jobs outside this company. On the left are the job description, any company information, company reviews, and other similar opportunities within that company. In order to apply, scroll to the top right and select Apply or Apply Externally. Here you have the opportunity to select your documents to use when applying. You can view your applications and track their statuses in the drop-down list under your name in the upper right-hand corner. Now you can search and apply for jobs on Handshake. For more information, visit the Missouri State University Career Center's website.